Hi, here we have an articulated light for sewing machines that don't have the attaching point here or here. They attach on the faceplate screw here, okay? So let me show you how we will do it on this BERNINA 117. First of all, we remove the mount. Loosen this screw to remove the faceplate. Remove the screw all the way. And then attach them all together. When you fasten it, there is a protrusion here, okay? Here. This has to go over the faceplate. It will stabilize this bracket. Fasten it well, okay? And now take the light and insert it here. Sometimes this is difficult. Rotating also could be difficult. A drop of oil here will ease things up. Here's the cable with the plug that goes to the socket. Now you can rotate it all the way. There is a pivot point here. There's a pivot point here. And there's a rotation point here. So you virtually can do anything you want. You can point it in any direction you wish. Back side, front side,